Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best heavy-duty industrial extension cord on the market, the POWGRN 100-foot 12/3 outdoor extension cord. If you're looking for a reliable, rugged, and highly durable extension cord that can handle serious outdoor power needs, this one deserves your attention. Right off the bat, this extension cord stands out with its 12-gauge, 3-prong design, making it perfect for heavy-duty applications. Rated for 15 amps and up to 1875 watts at 125 volts, it's more than capable of powering tools and equipment like circular saws, lawnmowers, block heaters, welding machines, and even larger appliances. The 100-foot length provides excellent reach for outdoor projects, construction sites, landscaping, or any situation where you need power away from the main source. One of the most practical features is the built-in LED indicator on the female end. This lighted end immediately tells you when the cord is energized, which is a fantastic safety addition when working outdoors, especially in low light or dark conditions. It's a simple feature but incredibly useful for avoiding tripping hazards or uncertainty about whether the power is flowing. Durability is key with outdoor extension cords, and this POWGRN cord delivers on that front. The jacket is made from heavy-duty PVC, rated SJTW, which means it's waterproof, weather-resistant, and corrosion-resistant. It can withstand temperatures up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit and stay flexible even in freezing temperatures down to -58 degrees Fahrenheit. This flexibility helps prevent the cord from cracking or becoming brittle in cold weather, ensuring long-lasting performance. Another thoughtful design element is the strain relief on both the male plug and female socket ends. This helps prevent damage where the cord meets the connectors, a common weak point on extension cords. Plus, the female socket has a convenient hook design, making it easy to hang the cord in a humid or wet environment, adding to its versatility. The bright yellow color of the cord not only looks industrial but also enhances visibility outdoors, so you won't accidentally trip over it or lose track of it in a busy workspace. It's a practical touch for both safety and convenience. The POWGRN 100-foot 12/3 extension cord also meets ETL and CETL safety standards, meaning it has passed rigorous electrical testing for safety and reliability. This certification gives you peace of mind that you're working with a cord that's built to professional standards. To sum it up, this extension cord balances power capacity, durability, and smart safety features. Whether you're a professional contractor, landscaper, or a serious DIYer, this cord can handle the toughest jobs with ease. It's a heavy-duty beast that's flexible enough for harsh weather and long enough to reach where you need it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want a reliable extension cord that won't quit, the POWGRN 100 feet 12/3 outdoor heavy-duty extension cord is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.